Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to change wall thickness in PrusaSlicer. So let's get straight into it. So first thing what you are going to do, basically this is the easiest way to make your wall thicker and make your 3D printed parts much stronger. So what you are going to do is click on the print settings here at the top of the window. Then in the left column, select layers and parameters, and then locate the vertical shells. So right here, the really top. And now what we can do, we can change the number in the box labeled parameters. So we can change here this from 2 to 4, doubles your wall thickness, just like that. Go back to Plater tab and then click Slice Now. Now, more advanced option, if you want to keep the same number of walls lines but make each individual line thicker, you can adjust the extrusion width. This forces the printer to push out a wider ribbon of plastic. So what we are going to do is go back to the print settings tab. In the left column, select Advanced, and look at the extrusion width. So the first section right here. Now what we are going to do is increase the millimeter value for both for perimeters and external perimeters. So these two right over here. So if you are using a standard 0.4 millimeter printer nozzle, you can safely widen your perimeter width up to 0.6. So let's do to the maximum right here. So 0.6. And yeah, this is pretty much it. So now, important thing, if you don't see those settings right here, what you need to do is go here to the right top corner, sorry, and right here you will see something like that if you don't see. So beginner mode, uh, e- expand this to expert mode and you will see everything else also. So yeah, I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.